Welcome back, guys. Today I have one of the best exchange P2P B2B. How you can sign up over here, and either it is worthy for you to sign up over here and also buy BTC, Ethereum, or any type of crypto altcoin from this exchange. So before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, the basic thing is this, that you have to come on this exchange P2P B2B and you have to sign up. After sign up, the basic thing which you have to complete before start trading, before sending any type of funds, you must have to complete your know your customer. Right now, from any country, you will be available, you will be able to sign up and complete your know your customer, because before at this time, you can say, before completing know your customer, you are unable to withdraw any of your funds, and you are also unable to use the referral link of this exchange, and you are unable to earn free money. First of all, you have to sign up on this exchange P2P B2B, and after that, now you can come here directly by just clicking on this page, and you have to click on balance. After clicking on balance, you can see each and everything over here, and right now how you can deposit your funds towards this exchange. It is very simple for you. You just have to click on deposit icon, and then you can see basically the exchange will give you an address. You have to send your funds, your BTC, Ethereum, or any type of token which is available over here on this exchange. You can send your own funds on this exchange, right? Okay, by just clicking on the deposit icon. You can also buy BTC from here with your credit card, and it is also available for all the countries right now. But before that one, as I am saying again and again, that you must have to complete your know your customer, otherwise you are unable to use any type of feature of this exchange. After basically you can say deposit your BTC or any type of fund, you have to do one more thing, and that is entirely important for you. Now you can see when BTC or any type of fund will basically we are going to send on this exchange. After that one, we have to do another thing, and that other thing is entirely important. We have to click on this icon, and then we have to do like this, that we have to click on the maximum, and we have to transfer the funds from main account to the trading account. With these type of exchanges, the basic thing is that we have to understand that our all funds will come in the starting on the main account, and then we have to basically transfer that one funds to the trading account for the any type of trading or anything. So right now I am going to basically send my whole thing, my whole BTC towards here. Now you can see, now I am able to trade, because you can see on my trading account, basically I send my satoshis from main account to trading account. After this one, what I have to do the next, now I'm going to click on the trade. Trade is one of the important thing on this exchange, how you can trade. Now you can see one of the major thing, that all the pairs of BTC are available here. First of all, I am going to click on this icon. You can see the price icon. I have to click it once. Now they are showing the minimum price of the tokens, that tokens which are in BTC pair with minimum price, they are going to show me like that. Right now I am just basically checking that one, because I don't have as much funds, so I am just basically checking the main thing, that how I can start. Right now, for example, I am going for one coin, how I can buy this one token. Right now you can see one of the major thing, that at this time the token price is only 1 satoshi. So I'm going to click over here, then I'm going to click over here, and then they are saying that minimum price, the minimum buying has to be 0.0001, otherwise they are not going to sell me tokens. How we can do that one? For that the basic reason, we have to send more funds over here, and then we will be able to buy any type of token from here. We also have other options, like for example, if you want to buy anything. Now I basically told you the main thing, that if you want to buy any altcoin, there are number of altcoins on this exchange, and the basic thing of this exchange is very good, that this exchange is you can say the registered exchange, so your all funds will be 100% secured. Now another thing which is entirely important, and nowadays it is basically going on the moon every day, that every day different altcoins you can say start up their IEOs on different exchanges. So P2P, B2B also basically feature that one article, that IEO. So how you can use the IEO feature? For the IEO, first of all, you have to take your all funds on the main account. Don't send that one funds to your trading account. That is entirely important. Now I'm going to show you that one. For the IEO, you must have to put your own or the whole funds on the main account. Don't put them on the trading account. Now I'm going to show you first of all, just by clicking on the IEO. I will show you that one right now. If I want to buy any token in the BTC pair, so I am unable to do that one because my main account is entirely empty. You can see each and everything that in my main account it is showing 0 BTC over here. But now what I am going to do, I am going to do very simple thing. I am just going to transfer the whole tokens from the trading account towards main account. With the help of that one, I'll be able to buy anything from IEO. Right now, as I basically transferred whole funds from trading account to main account, now I am going again towards IEO. Now I will show you. Now you can see one thing very important, that when I'm going towards to buy any type of IEO, right now it's showing that I have balance over here. So that is the main important thing, that if you want to buy anything from IEO, you must have the funds on your main account. But if you want to trade on P2P, B2B exchange, then you must have to take your whole funds towards your trading account. So it is all about. So I'm going to share my referral link in the description. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot for your cooperation, and hopefully I am going to basically review a number of exchanges for you and make it easier for you how you can trade. And after that one, how to I am going to review each and every exchange, and after that one I am going to review and basically tell you how you can start margin trading and everything. Thanks a lot.